Good morning. It's Saturday, February the 4th, the aftermath of the snowstorm. You can see the deck has been shoveled a little bit. It appears about 15 inches on the railings. Trees are full. Surprised they didn't break. There's several of them. There's still a few flurries, but it's supposed to end sometime later this afternoon or this evening. My understanding that most of the major roads are clear and we're able to get out. That's how it snows in Denver. You can see how it's piled up on the barbecue grill, maybe 25 inches.